Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you shares and dividends of different models. Already I have completed Serena Publishers and R.S. Agarwal textbook. Now I am doing similar means now I am doing different type of questions. Sorry, not similar. Only there are two different problems left over. With this, I have covered all the different problems from different textbooks. You can refer the problems. I think the problems which I have explained is more than enough to compare with the other textbooks. So practice all those. That is more than enough, I can say. Now only two problems I am going to teach. This is the final shares and dividend final session revision. So let us begin. By selling at rupees 77, some 2.5% to 1/4% of shares, face value rupees 100 investing the proceeds in 6% shares of face value 100, selling at rupees 110, a person increased his income by 117 a year. So this is lengthy question, but I will make it in a simple way. First look at that, what I am doing. By selling at rupees 77 means selling price. Some 2.5% of shares face value rupees 100. So here he is asking how many shares did he sell. Let the number of shares be X. Number of shares is X. So first I will write the given condition, then after that I will explain the question and I will explain the solution. Already I told this is the final session and the problems are little bit difficult. So D is equal to, what is D is equal to 2 1/4%, right? And of the face value is how much? Face value is 100. So first let us continue, let us do until here. Let the number of shares be X. D is equal to 1/4%, face value is 100. By selling at 77, some 2.5 to 1/4% of shares were value rupees 100 and investing the proceeds in 6%. Next, this is case 1. Case 2, investing the proceeds. That is, investing the proceeds means investment. Investment is nothing but investing the proceeds. I told here several times you have to underline that word, investing the proceeds. Investing the proceeds means investment is equal to number of shares into market value, right? Number of shares here is, what is the number of shares? X. Number of shares we took X, no? X. Therefore here it is given by selling at rupees 77. Selling means market value. Therefore market value is equal to rupees 77. So now investment 77 into number of shares is X. X into 77, that is 77X. So this is investment. Provided investing the proceed means, that is the meaning. Investing the proceed means investment is equal to number of shares into market value. Market value here already given by selling at rupees 97. Selling means market value, right? Market value is selling. Now what is given? Investing the proceeds in 6% shares. 6% shares. Dividend is equal to 6%. 6% share of the face value 100. Face value 100. So this is case 1, this is case 1. You will get dividend from this D1 and you will get dividend from this D2. A person increased his income by rupees 170. Increased his income means there is a difference between this first dividend and second dividend. So here the main formula is dividend percentage of face value into number of shares, right? Dividend percent is 9/4 into 1/100. Face value is 100 into number of shares is x. So 9x by 4. This is D1. Again, are you following this? This is the formula I applied. I got rupees 9x by 4. Next, case 2. What is case 2 here? Again, they are given by selling at rupees 77. Selling at rupees 77 means market value. Already I have written. Now, investing the proceed. Underline that word, investing the proceed. Investing the proceed means investment. Investment means new investment. That is number of shares into market value. This is the formula we have. Number of shares is x. Already we took. So 77x. From this calculate again dividend. Apply that formula. Here dividend is 6%. 6 by 100 into face value. Here also 100 into number of shares. Here number of shares is nothing but total investment by market value. D2 is equal to number of shares. Again go for basic number of shares. Number of shares is total investment by market value. Total investment is nothing but here you have written no? Total new investment. New investment. You can say new investment is equal to 77x by market value. Market value is, what is the market value? By selling at rupees 77x. By selling at rupees 77, as some 2.5% shares of the face value and investing the proceeds in 6% face value, selling at rupees 110. Investing proceeds in shares of face value 100, selling at rupees 110. Here market value is 110, right? Again I will read out. Investing the proceeds in 6% shares of face value rupees 100, selling at rupees 110. D is equal to 6%, face value 100, market value is 110. So this is case 2. Already I have explained clearly. Investing the proceed means number of shares into market value. Number of shares is x. Market value is 77. That becomes the investment. Now dividend percentage. What is the formula? Dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. Number of shares. How will you get number of shares? Is equal to total investment by market value. Total investment is 77 by market value. Market value is what? Market value is, what is the market value? Market value is 110. Right? So 11 7 the 77, 11 10 6 7 the 42 by 2 5 the 10, 2 to the 4, 2 1 the 21x by 5. 21x by 5 is the answer. Right? Now calculate the difference. Here they are asking how a person increased by selling 110, a person increased his income by rupees 170. So D2 minus D1 is equal to 21x by 5 minus 9x by 4 is equal to 170. So a person increased his income by rupees 117. Increase means there is some difference between these two. So D2 minus D1 is nothing but 117. So make the denominator same. So 21x by 5 into 4, here also into 4, 9x by 4 into 5 is equal to 170. So 4 ones are 4, 4 2s are 84x by 20 minus 9 5s are 45x by 20 is equal to 170. Simplify this, you will get the answer as 60. X value is 60. Next. So x value is 60. Yeah, already I did here simple calculations. So that's why I am saying that x value is 60. From this again, let us, what is he asking? How many shares did he sell? How many shares did he buy? How many shares did he sell? How many shares did he buy? So what was the original income? First original income is this one. No? Let us consider original income. D1 is equal to 9 by 4 into X is nothing but 60. Original income. So 4 ones are 4 5. 15 nines are 135. So original income is rupees 130. This is very simple. Original income. First bit. There are some bits given. Original income is 135. Next one. How many shares did he sell? How many shares did he sell? Number of shares we took, no? Let the number of shares be X. Number of shares is equal to number of shares he sold is equal to number of shares he sold is equal to 60. Next, third one. How many shares did he buy? Investment. I told no, new investment. Number of shares did he buy? Number of shares is here, this one. Number of shares. Total investment by, therefore, how many shares did he buy? Shares purchased is equal to what we have written, total investment. What is it? Number of shares is equal to total investment by market value. Total investment is 77x by market value is 110. So 11 sevens are 11 tens are 7 by 10 into x. X is 60. 7 6 are 42. Rupees 42. Number of shares he purchased is 42. Number of shares he sold is 60. So there ends the solution. So already this is done several times, but once again I am doing this problem is there in RS Agarwal textbook. That is test by yourself or something revision chapter. So there are 8 questions in that. One of the question is this one. So it's very simple. Nothing is there in this problem. First one straight clear. By selling some 2.5 to 1/4% shares value rupees 100 is given. So face value is 100. Dividend is 2 1/4. Calculate the dividend. Dividend is 9x by 4. Again here investing the proceeds. Investing the proceed means investment. So that means how much he is investing. So number of shares already told. Investing the proceed means, remember that formula, number of shares into market value. Number of shares already we took X. Market value is given as 76. By selling at rupees 77. First word itself suggests that market value is 77. So sale proceeds. This you can call it as sale proceeds. That is another word. And I calculated the investment is 77x. So dividend and investing the proceeds in 6% shares, face value given as 100, selling at 110. So that means this is the market value. So for this case, second case, market value is 110. So I calculated the dividend D2, that is 21x by 5. Next, what they are asking, I differentiate. He is saying that a person increased his income. There is some difference between the dividend D1 and D2, that is 117. I calculated the value, so I got the value of X. So that means number of shares are X. Now from this, original income means this one. So you replace it. How many shares did he sell? How many shares did he sell? Number of shares he sold is 60. How many shares did he buy? How many shares did he purchase? Purchase means already it is given, no? Sale proceeds. Sale proceeds. Investing the proceeds means, what the meaning of this is? Investing the proceeds means sale proceeds. So sale proceeds means purchasing. How many shares did he purchase means, here total investment is 77x by market value is 110. So I calculate this, I got the answer as 42. He purchased 42 shares. Right. This is another one. And one more different problem is last one. A person invests again. This is also different type. Remember this word, investing the proceed means investment or sale proceeds, that is nothing but number of shares into market price, and then follow the same thing. This is also totally different type. From all the publishers, Serena Publishers is given R.S. Agarwal 1, 2, and this is total different problem. So that's why I am explaining this problem. So with this I have covered all the models, all the questions of different types. So if you have any doubt, please comment it in the comment section so that I can take the new problems or new sessions regarding shares and dividends. If you have slightest doubt, you can always post your comments in the comment box. I am here to help you. I am here